Game Changer satellite will measure most of the water on the planet. Welcome to Eagle News Channel. First mission to survey Earth's water launched. SWOT launched from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California at 6:46 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday. At 6:54 a.m. Eastern Time, the rocket's first stage landed successfully. NASA's website went live at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. NASA and the French Space Agency Centre National d'Études Spatiales will measure the height of water in freshwater bodies and seas. SWOT is the next step in the agency's relationship to monitor Earth's oceans. SWOT's data will illustrate how oceans affect climate change and how global warming affects lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. The satellite's data can also help communities prepare for flooding and other climate-related disasters. Water is essential for life on Earth, but it also affects our weather and climate by storing and moving carbon and heat from greenhouse gas emissions. This website can assist scientists comprehend the global water budget, including primary sources, how they're changing, and environmental implications. The heat exchange between Earth's atmosphere and water may exacerbate global warming, say scientists. Benjamin Hamilton, a research scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, stated, "We'll see things we couldn't see before. We'll be able to trace the movement of water between ocean and land, make connections, and know where water is at any given time." Climate change is quickening the water cycle, therefore this is crucial. Some places have too much water, others don't have enough. The satellite's equipment will capture high-definition freshwater and ocean data. SWOT's Ka-band radar interferometer, or CARIN, is ready. The sensor can identify characteristics 10 times smaller than sea-level satellites. SWOT will raise the number of lakes monitored from a few thousand to over 1 million. Researchers have to use river or ocean gauges to measure water bodies. Previous space-based satellites collected restricted data that couldn't explore Earth's water depths. Steep-banked rivers don't appear bigger or smaller even when more water flows through them. CARIN can measure through cloud cover and darkness. Both antennas are on the satellite's 33-foot-long, 10-meter-long boom. These antennas broadcast and receive radar pulses from the water. Daniel Esteban Fernandez, CARIN instrument manager at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, remarked, "This will be a quantum jump in freshwater knowledge." The spacecraft will capture in 3D nearly all rivers wider than 330 feet, 100 meters, and measure ocean features less than 60 miles, 100 kilometers, across. SWOT will help us understand how water volume varies in rivers and lakes worldwide, said NASA's SWOT freshwater scientific lead in Chapel Hill. It'll be huge. SWOT data can help researchers bridge knowledge gaps to better forecast future rising water levels, such as how sea level is shifting along coastlines and flood-prone locations. Climate change fuels droughts and downpours. The satellite's equipment can monitor both and give crucial data for disaster preparedness and water management. Alaska might use SWOT's monitoring. Alaska possesses nearly 40% of the U.S.'s surface water resources, including 12,000 rivers and hundreds of thousands of lakes. Alaska's size, topography, and inaccessibility impede water measurements. SWOT will let us see Alaska's hydrology in new ways, Pavelski added. Alaska, in the Arctic, is seeing the most climate change in the U.S. Consider how many resources we obtain from Alaska. SWOT's reach implies the satellite can monitor other places where water resources were hard to estimate. It will improve the lives and livelihoods of practically everyone on Earth, Hamilton added. Thanks for watching.